Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on lock screen sounds in Samsung Galaxy S22. Right now our screen lock is silent, so when we turn it off or turn it on, there is no sound. The sound is turned off. How to turn it on again? So we have to go to settings, then sound and vibration, and under system sound we have screen lock unlock sound. Let's see if now we have sound. Yes, we do. Now we have our sound back. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.